The number of charging stations for electric vehicles, or EVs, has grown significantly in recent years. According to the International Energy Agency, there were 1.8 million publicly accessible chargers worldwide in 2021. It is estimated that by 2030, no less than 3 million public charging stations will be needed in the European Union alone. Despite the rapid rise of charging stations, EV drivers still encounter problems while charging their vehicles in many areas. Very often, this is due to a lack of interoperability between the alternatives. For instance, the user might not have a proper account, the right card, app, or charging cable to use at that particular station. Even when charging stations are accessible, some of them can be difficult to use because of the absence of a user-friendly interface. eChargeForDrivers is a European project working to create enhanced charging options by offering new technologies and services that will increase the attractiveness and convenience of electric vehicles. In order to improve the EV user experience and ultimately facilitate a more efficient integration of EVs in the European electricity network, eChargeForDrivers is developing easy-to-use charging solutions that work across different providers and operators. These innovative solutions include charging stations with an intuitive digital display, scalable stations that support both low and high power charging for cars and motorcycles, charging points on lampposts, providing straightforward information to users before, during, and after charging. eChargeForDrivers develops a number of solutions to improve users' experience and accelerate the deployment of electric vehicles. eChargeForDrivers is developing these solutions in 10 areas across Europe, which include urban areas and some trans-European transport network corridors. Working with over 30 partners, eChargeForDrivers brings together key stakeholders to offer an improved EV charging experience and speed up the transition to electric vehicles across Europe.